Sony is still making news about the PlayStation 5. People, they loved the teardown video, Will. People, what is it, 10 million views? I don't know. It's got to be close. Great video. Showing off the components, sitting there with the engineer. What a time. Well, people, they had questions because they're like, we don't normally look inside of these things. You don't normally let us in there like that.
Yeah.
So now we're going to ask you questions. That's a huge fan, sir. What can I do with this huge fan, sir?
Yeah.
And so what you got was actually an answer.
Oh, okay.
This fan is going to be quite intelligent. It's going to be quite intelligent because it's going to tap in to the PS5's accelerated processing unit, also known as APU, the custom AMD combined CPU GPU chip that powers the console. And what is going to happen over time, Willie Do, is your fan's going to get better. That doesn't normally happen. And the way it's going to do that is by optimizing its performance, optimizing its behavior depending on the title you're playing. And the more people that play these titles, and the temperature can be checked at various points inside of the PlayStation, those optimizations can take place and roll out via updates. So they will know a section of a game is about to get hot.
A game profile.
There you go. And so now all of a sudden the fans start spinning up, maybe even a little in advance. It starts to recognize, okay, I know what's about to take place over here. I'm going to do a little thing, and then I can chill back out.
I'm guessing they're doing this to optimize, like, their performance so it doesn't burn out the chip or something in the long scheme of things.
Absolutely. Or so the fan's not running unnecessarily, creating noise. Although I know they say, okay, we did all kinds of things to make it quiet. It's so that you are, maximizing performance while not overdoing it with the cooling as well, right? Because that's another thing. When you don't need the thing to be running full blast, you don't want that either.
Yeah.
So various games will be released in the future, and data on the APU's behavior in each game will be collected. We have a plan to optimize the fan control based on this data. Multiple temperature sensors are placed on a console's main board to collect data while the APU runs any given game. Then that data is what will allow Sony to optimize the fan going forward on a per-game basis. Per-game cooling. That's pretty intelligent. Are you happy about that?
Oh, yeah.
You don't seem very happy about that.
I am.
Would you call it lovely?
Cool.
Would you consider it lovely?
It's partway there.
It's almost lovely. Cool. Shout out to Sony. I like smart cooling.